Hello everyone, welcome to Click Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss exercise 6.2 and question number first. That is, in given figure, find the value of x and y and show that AB line is parallel to CD line. First of all, we will find out a value of x and y. Now, this is a line. That means this total angle is a straight angle. So that means ये total angle है आपका straight which is equal to 180 degree. आपके पास ये जो angle है ये 50 degree का है. That means जो आपका pending angle है वो आपका 130 degree का angle है. And this angle x and 130 angles are the vertically opposite angle. We already discussed about vertically opposite angles. Those who missed can view the link in the description box. That means 130 x की वैल्यू भी आपके पास है 130 डिग्री. Vertically opposite angles that means x is equal to 130 degree. In the same way, angle y is vertically opposite with 130 degree angle. That means y is also equal to 130 degree angle. Now you can see x and y both are equal. That means 130 degree and 130 degree. And these angles are alternate interior angles. This x and y are the alternate interior angles. We already discussed about corresponding alternate interior angles. Those who missed can view the link in the description box. That means these x and y are alternate interior angle. And we know the theorem, when we have a transversal line and alternate interior angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. That means AB is parallel to CD. Now it's time for Vedic Maths trick number 17. In this trick we will discuss when we dividing a number by 9. Without dividing हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि अब किसी भी नंबर को हमने 2 डिजिट नंबर को डिवाइड किया है 9 से, 3 डिजिट नंबर को डिवाइड किया है 9 से. बट इन दिस ट्रिक वी विल डिस्कस आपके पास कोई भी नंबर आ जाए तो उसको आप 9 से कैसे डिवाइड करोगे विदाउट डिवाइडिंग. In the same way, first we divide the number in two parts, that is last digit and remaining digit. This is the first part and this is the second part. Same way, what is the quotient? First digit as it is, second digit sum of the first two digit. आप यहाँ पर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट करोगे ऐड करना. तो what is the sum of 1 and 3? That is 4. Next digit is the sum of first three digit. That means 1 plus 3 plus 2, that is 6. Next digit is sum of remaining all the digit, that is 4 digit. तो आप इन सबको ऐड कर दोगे. 1 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. Means आप एक डिजिट को उठाओगे उसको as it is लिखोगे. Then we will add the another digit. आप 1 by 1 हर डिजिट को सम के अंदर ऐड करते रहोगे. What is the remainder? रिमाइंडर में आप लास्ट वाली जो पार्ट है सेकंड जो पार्ट है उसको ऐड करोगे. तो 7 plus 0 that is 7. This is the remainder and this is the quotient when we divide this number by 9. Second is, what is the quotient and the remainder when we divide 2,45,678 by 9? In the same way, first we divide into two parts, that is part number 1 and 2. Quotient is 2. Next is add 2 plus 4, that is 6. Next is add कीजिए 5, that is 11. बट यहाँ पर आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है, आपको यहाँ पर 11 नहीं लिखना, ओनली लिखना है लास्ट डिजिट, that is 1 and 1 as a use we will carry. आप नेक्स्ट जो डिजिट है, जो टेंस प्लेस पे डिजिट है, उसको आप एज ए कैरी यूज करोगे और वंस प्लेस के जो डिजिट है उसको आप एज इट इज लिखोगे. नेक्स्ट इज 11 plus 6, that is 70. In the same way we will write here 7 and this one we will use here as carry. Next what will be plus 7, that is 24. In the same way write here 4 and this 2 here. Now add this, that is 2, 6 plus 1 7, 2, 7 plus 2 that is 9 and 4. And what is the remainder? Same, 24 plus 8 that is 32 is the remainder. But this is not possible because we already discussed that remainder cannot be exceeded by divisor. So we subtract 27 from 32, that is 3 times of 9. We subtract 3 times of 9 that is 27 from 32 and we get 5. क्योंकि आपको वो चीज सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी होती है कि आपके पास रिमाइंडर 9 से कम आ जाए, तो इसके लिए आपको 9 का 3 टाइम्स दैट इज 27 आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप 4 टाइम्स करते हो दैट इज 36 which is not possible. So we subtract 3 times that is 27 from 32, that means 5 is our remainder and हमने यहाँ पर 3 times 9 को subtract किया है तो we add 3 in this number, that means 97, that is 27,297 is our quotient when we divide this number by 9 and 5 is our remainder. I hope you understood this trick. Please share, like and subscribe our channel, that is Click Maths. Thank you.